Eh bro, congrats England semi-final.
Macam kenal lah.
Ya ke?
Ini bukan goal digger
Oh ya, saya selalu tegur orang pakai jersey. So you guys pakai jersey England
Yes.
Kenapa? Ni nombor 1 England goalkeeper.
Goalkeeper
Tahun bila?
2010, 2011. Keeper Johat.
Johat.
Yes.
Okay, so ada nama Johat?
Unfortunately,
Ha?
nama sendiri lah.
Oh.
So I letak my initial lah, my short form, my name.
Oh bukan Sir Alex Ferguson. SAF.
Sir Alex Ferguson pun yes juga, sebab I'm a United fan.
Wah, dah ada
Double meaning lah.
Double meaning lah.
S is my first, my nickname.
Your name is
Safwan.
Safwan.
Ya.
Okay.
So family semua, kawan-kawan yang rapat panggil Saf lah.
So saya boleh panggil Saf lah.
Boleh.
Rapatkan Saf.
Yes, Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah. So saya pun England fans.
Okay.
Saya sangat-sangat teruja lah nanti semi-final lawan Argentina kan. So what do you think?
I rasa it's going to be a close match lah.
Close match
Close match, and it's going to be a rivalry. I think I wouldn't be surprised kalau sampai ke penalty. Tapi kalau boleh tak nak penalty lah, terus lah high attack tak nak.
England penalty quite okay juga. Last time kan dia menang penalty kan.
Ya. Tapi kalau boleh, I mean as a fan, kita kalau boleh tak nak penalty lah. I think kalau maximum extra time cukup lah.
Saya sebenarnya debar dengan Argentina sebab banyak isu, banyak kontroversi.
Yes, kontroversi, betul. Yeah, I mean as a fan kita harap clean game lah. Clean game, no controversy in the game, good rivalry, and yalah, the top 4 are competing in the semi-final kan.
And then plus Harry Kane dengan Bellingham.
Yes, on form, seriously on form.
6 goal. And then macam nak boleh top scorer.
Betul.
Top scorer sekarang siapa?
Top scorer sekarang ni I think is Mbappe and Messi.
8 gol.
8 gol. And then both Bellingham dengan Kane at 6 goal. So anything can still happen lah.
Actually kalau kalah pun dia ada chances untuk number third
place, ya.
Third place kan.
Ya, betul.
Okay, you punya prediction?
Obviously I nak England menang lah. Tapi
bias lah ni. Bias lah juga.
Kita bias tak lah. Tapi kalau based on performance, actually England started not to say great. They started slow, tapi as they progress, dah nampak sedap lah game tu. So for this game against Argentina, I'm going to put 2-1 lah. England to win.
2-1 normal time?
I rasa extra time 2-1 tu. It's going to go extra time 2-1.
Sama macam Norway lah.
Macam game lawan Norway, yes.
Tapi saya akan rasa penalti lah.
Penalti
Saya suka benda-benda yang
Thrill.
Okay bro.
Okay.
Have fun.
Thank you.
Alright, thank you.